Hello everyone. I'm just showing you some more skies and what's going on in California. These clouds are unable to rain because of the manipulation, because of the frequencies. You could see it all over. They're quite honestly causing the clouds to break apart and not rain. Yes, they spread all over and basically break apart, as you could see. That is not normal. It wants to rain in California, but it can't because of the modification of the weather. It's not working. Well, it is working because they're purposely droughting California. Yes, wake up everyone. The weather is engineered, intensified, and modified, and created. Hope everyone's having a good day. How's the weather where you are?